Hello, my name is Mike. I'm the general manager of a hotel in Anaheim called the Brookhurst Plaza Inn. To put that another way, there's a hotel in Anaheim called the Brookhurst Plaza Inn. It has a general manager, and that general manager is me. Our hotel is located at 711 South Brookhurst Street. As you can probably see behind me, the Brookhurst Plaza Inn is going through some renovations. More on that later. The city of Anaheim is located in Southern California, approximately 30 miles south of Los Angeles. The city of Anaheim is home to a large corporation. I'll bet you can't tell which one I'm talking about. Too easy. That's right, I'm talking about Carl's Jr. Believe it or not many people come to Anaheim to visit Carl's Jr., but many more do come to visit another Anaheim attraction, Disneyland. They say Disneyland is a magical place, and it is, most of the time. Currently, however, due to the global pandemic sweeping our planet, it's closed. Lucky for you, though, I'm in the know, and I am here to give you the latest information for when Disneyland Anaheim will reopen. So many people are pointing to a July 16th reopen date. This prediction is based on the fact that Disneyland employees were called back to work this past week, while Disneyland area hotels opened their reservations for July 16th. Personally, I don't think Disneyland will make that July 16th reopen date, open reservations notwithstanding. Our country is going through some things right now. And remember that virus that shut down all the Disneylands? It's still out there. It didn't go away. Additionally, rumors are swirling that Disney cast team leaders are telling their employees not to expect a reopening by July 16th. Please keep in mind that if you do visit Disneyland on July 16th, you will most likely not be getting the full Disneyland experience. An official update from Disney states, certain attractions, experiences, services, and amenities will be modified, have limited availability, or remain closed. If Disneyland Shanghai's reopening is anything to go by, it is highly likely that all park visitors will be required to wear a mask. I mean, do you really want to go to Disneyland in July when it's hot? Wearing a mask? That's not my idea of a good time. As I told you before, the hotel is going through a remodel. It got so dusty over there, I came home. I can't breathe in all that dust. Well, that's the show for today. If anybody's still here, I genuinely hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope you get good use out of the tips that I gave you. If you didn't like it, drop me a comment down below and tell me what I did wrong. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop those down there too. I'll try to answer as many as I can. Join me next week for some more hot, exciting, Insider Disneyland Reopen information action, and also some other stuff. Like, maybe I'll show you around the hotel. Did you know that it was built in 1933? Well, part of it was. That was a long time ago, right? Exciting!